So boys, after doing question number 12, we will do question number 7, and question number 7 is write the following number into a place value table. Okay, this is a number 283 whole 3 by 10. As you can see, it has 3 by 10. It means 3/10. In the solution, what we have to do, first we have to make it a decimal. Okay, when we turn it into the decimal, we will know what values the place value chart should have. Okay, so what I will do, I will write this 283 as it is, and as you know, this is 1, and 1 will turn into the point as 1 has 1 0 and there is 1 digit above, so I will write the numerator 3. If it was 100 and it has 3 above, so what I will do, I will write a 0 before 3, because 03 also means 3. So it is now 283.3 and 3/10. So how many place values I will make? I will draw 100, tens, ones, decimal point, 10th. Okay. Here you can see boys, I have drawn the place value table. 3 places before decimal point. There are 3 places, 1, 2, 3. 1 place after decimal point. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to place the decimal point over here, and I will not forget that is 3 after decimal point, 3/10. But before point is also 3, it is 3 ones, 8 tens, okay, and 2 hundreds. Now you can see here boys, I will suggest you one thing, to write the number name as well. Okay, so that we can also revise the number names. Okay, and do not forget, after the decimal point we have to read it separately, and we have to read it as a number. So I will write 200 83.EIGHTY 83 THREE 3 point .3 THREE. So boys, I have done part A of question number 7. Okay, the next parts I will give you as homework. So boys, your classwork for today is, you have to do activity 8 sums of activity, question number 12 5 sums of question number 12, and question number 7 part A of page number 95 on copy. In homework, you will do the remaining parts of question number 7, that is B, C, D, E, F of page number 95 on copy. Boys, I will hope you will keep reciting Durood-e Ibrahimi today, as today is Friday, and make dua for yourself, for your country, for your father, for your mother, and everyone you love and you care for. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. If you have any problem boys related to today's lecture, you can ask me, you can comment in the comment section below, and